After years of flooding along Orange Camp Road, Volusia County is moving forward with a plan to buy some homeowners out.
Some residents say the decision is a shock, even for those whose homes have never flooded. WESH 2's Pamela Combe breaks down what this means for those families.
So we're pretty much losing a lot.
For 3 years, Cassandra Guller and her family of 10 have lived in their home off Orange Camp Road.
Oh, brand new air conditioning.
They've poured tens of thousands of dollars into upgrades, but recently keeping up appearances has become the least of their concerns.
I kind of gave up on it once they told me they were taking my house. I'm not going to lie. I let weeds come up and everything. It usually don't look like this.
On Thursday, the county moved forward with plans to buy 2 homes here, including hers. In this lot was a house that was already demolished a couple months ago, and the county has already budgeted to acquire other homes along Orange Camp Road to do the same.
This is my road.
This comes after repeated flooding in the area. Many of these homes were feet underwater after Hurricanes Milton, Ian, and Nicole. But Geller is pretty high up.
This house never flooded.
The road, though, was several feet underwater. Now, the county's looking to demolish her home and several others, with plans to potentially build a retention pond.
Heartbroken. I'm sorry. We moved from Maryland to move here, and we never thought that we would have our home taken from us and have to move again. This brick line.
Geller wasn't sure if she could opt out. County records show she'll get $100,000 over market price for her home, but that money would go towards paying off the house and finding a new one that fits her family of 10. Covering Volusia County in DeLand, Pamela Combe, WESH 2 News.
The county says this is not a case of eminent domain and that the homeowners agreed to sell. Coming up in the next hour, a closer look at the county's plans for Orange Camp Road and how many homes are affected.